Want to create puzzles that truly stand out? Combine colors and shapes to give each Sudoku symbol a distinct visual identity. Start by selecting Sudoku Pick and Place from the Puzzle Type menu. Next, choose a 6x6 grid, a great size for visual puzzles. You can use numbers, letters, colors, or Roman numerals as symbols. To use shapes, switch the symbol type to colors. Set the number of colors to match the puzzle size. Here, we're using 6. Click Next Preview to see the colors with a default shape. Now go to the Options tab to access the shape controls. First, let's try using a single shape for all symbols. Click Next Preview to see how it looks with one shape across all colors. Open the Layout tab to see tile display options. Let's display the unique items only. Now switch to Mixed Mode to assign a unique shape to each color. Click Next Preview again to generate a puzzle with both unique colors and shapes. Create fully customized Sudoku puzzles with color-coded shapes, only in Puzzle Maker Pro. Sudoku, Pick, and Place.